Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open your PowerPoint and navigate to the slide with the music you want to stop. Click the audio icon on the slide to reveal the Audio Tools tabs. Select the Playback tab to see Start options and playback controls. Choose Start. On-click to keep music confined to this slide. If it currently plays across slides, uncheck Play Across Slides or change the Start option. Use visibility settings to hide the audio icon during the presentation if you prefer. With the audio icon selected, inspect the playback controls for essential options. Uncheck Play Across Slides to ensure the track stops at the slide end. Set Start. On-click if you want manual control during the presentation. Choose Start, automatically if music should begin without clicking. Adjust fade duration to smooth how the audio ends on this slide. Tune volume to balance speech and music during your slide's content. If music still continues, use the Animations pane to add a stop action. Select the audio icon and open the Animations tab to add an animation. Choose Add Animation, scroll to Media Actions, and select Stop Playing to end audio. Place that stop playing animation on the slide where sound must end. Set timing to on-click with previous or after previous for precise timing. Test the slideshow from that slide to confirm the music.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.